Politics that is now taking place over this accident that has claimed the lives of over 40 Indian citizens. However, the details that are now coming across as far as the investigation that is now revealed, many of them were laborers who were killed in their sleep. The fire that broke out in a kitchen and thereafter started spreading to other floors as the victims who were charred to death in Kuwait after fire engulfed a 6-story building. As India is numb over the death of so many Indian lives that have been lost, there is no end to the politics here, as the India bloc partners claim that mostly North Indians died in the incident as they went abroad due to lack of job opportunities. At the same time, slammed the central government over the alleged low amount of compensation that has been also announced for the deceased.
There is a great problem of employment in India. So this is a failure of Bhajpa government that after their 10 years, many more people, they have to go abroad for their job. This is failure of government of India. Central government should take the responsibility and necessary assistance.
Those are the reactions coming in from the opposition side, of course, when it comes to this accident that has now claimed the lives of so many Indian citizens. Now, on part of the flight details that have also been shared with our viewers. In the meantime, let's also talk about what the opposition party leaders have been saying, that most of the deceased are from North India. That is Kunal Ghosh of the TMC saying that there is lack of job opportunities and the government must take note of that. Also going on to say that this is Saurabh Bhardwaj of the Aam Aadmi Party, that if the people get job here, then why will we go to the Gulf to seek more employment opportunities, saying that the priority should have been given to providing jobs for them in India, so there is no brain drain, and also saying that the compensation also that be given should be more. This is Rajmani Patel of the Congress Party saying the government is behaving in an irresponsible fashion. As far as compensation that has been announced, remember, has been announced both by the government of India and by the respective states from where these 45 Indian citizens belong or they hail from. Families should have been given at least 25 lakh as compensation. This is Ajay Rai of the UP Congress chief saying that 2 lakh compensation holds no value. Meanwhile, the reactions that have been coming in from the opposition side saying that there is lack of job opportunities in India, Shivani, and that is the reason why Indian citizens for a better employment opportunities seek jobs in the Gulf. But of course, many of them who have lost their lives are actually the ones who are hailing from the states like Tamil Nadu and also from Kerala.
Amita, this is really unfortunate. While India is mourning the death of its around 45 people who were working out there, and these are mostly from the southern states like Tamil Nadu and Kerala. And while most of them were working there since very long, as we were hearing the reactions of the families also, they were working since 8 years. Somebody was working since past 10 years in Kuwait, and there are a number of workers from the south. We know that they work in the Gulf countries. And the politics that is playing out, where a lot of reactions are coming in, and these leaders from the opposition parties are now targeting the government for this, and they are saying that this is due to unemployment in the country. That is why people are moving out. But perhaps this has not happened for the first time, Amita. We know that since decades people are working in the Gulf countries, and especially from the south. They work in the medicine line, they work in several other kind of businesses out there. So this is the comment that has come from the opposition, that people are not getting employment. That is why they are moving to Gulf countries, and they are not even leaving this kind of an incident for their politics, where 45 people from India have lost their lives, and India is grieving. Their bodies are about to reach the country, and then the last rites will be done.
All right. Thank you for that update, Shivani. With the details coming in of the flight, and of course, when it comes to the special Indian Air Force plane that is now getting back the mortal remains, to the politics that seems to be happening over this tragedy where over 40 Indian citizens have lost their lives.